ka?
5. Oo nga.
Ano?
Oy!
My pumpkin, my
My
pumpkin.
pumpkin, bro. That's my pumpkin, dummy. My pumpkin.
Lepatete.
No.
Ano yun? Lepatete?
No.
Sino si Lepatete?
Bro,
Ingay nyo! Sino si
double
Lepatete?
it, double it, double it, double it, double it.
No.
Ang iingay nyo. Oo, na makipaglaro sa inyo.
Hey,
Huwag walang patayan, huy.
Ayaw nga na.
Nakasulat yun sa rules natin, huy.
Ay, walang batayan.
Uy, siya yung nanguna. Siya yung nanguna.
O, huwag niyo subukan ulit. Huwag niyo subukan ulit.
Konti na nga lang hearts ko eh.
Kumain kayo ng ano?
Baliw. Kinuha nga ni Siren yung ano ko eh.
Inahar si Gian.
Buwa ko.
Uy, ano ba?
Binibreak ko yung pumpkin. Ginagawa niyo. Binibreak ko yung pumpkin. Binibreak
Why
ko yung
did you
pumpkin.
all do that, you little piece of shit?
Binibreak ko yung pumpkin, tapos hinit niya ako una. Tapos bigla ako siyang inatake. Inatake ko siya.
Parehas kayo ng ano, recorder. Ibig sabihin parehas kayo ng ano, type ng...
Type C to eh. Bro, wala ko ng charge. 32% na lang.
Ako na nga lang mag-create ng word.
Uy, ako na! Cyrus! Ay, no na.
Hard.
No, Cyrus. Bala ka naman. Uy, di na ka.
Malokon siya, wag natin.
No.
Fine,
Yun na nga.
Mega. Sweet without Stevie.
First rule, do not kill player. You can prank them if you want to. Okay? Paprank ko si Gian. Paprank ko si Gian.
Uy!
Hoy, hindi natingin ako sa other way, hoy.
Hoy! Ayun na naman, ha? Sasapakin ko kayo.
Hoy, birch player, birch player, that's mine. Hoy.
Kayo, ha? Pasimple kayo. Ha?
Ano ba? Hoy! Speedrunner versus Hunter, speedrunner. Versus Hunter, go.
Udarat! Udarat!
Wag ako.
Wait lang guys, wag na patayan. Let's
Ayo,
just mine wood.
Patayin tayo.
Guys,
Pagka manaka,
speedrunner daw si Cyrus. Kailangan daw natin patayin.
Hello, dog. No.
Guys, speedrunner daw si Cyrus. Speedrunner.
No! I'm already
Gia,
dead.
pag
I'm
namatay
already
ka
dead.
talaga,
I'm already dead.
Within the first Gian, if you really die within the first 15 minutes of the within the first 3 minutes of
Little bro. Can't even get me in time.
guys,
Dito, detail.
remember, this is hardcore, bro.
meron na ako crafting table.
Getting stone.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
I'm getting stone. What y'all have?
Stupid
What items do you guys have?
Stupid dogs! Get out of here!
Yo guys, what y'all have?
Wolves. Can't even get me in time.
Magmamine lang ako ng woods. Woods,
Okay,
woods is
guys,
our priority.
Uy!
Because it's the first one.
Cyrus, get wood, and then we, Gian, go find us food, all of us.
Oo. Tapos,
Bro, there's so many
ikaw
food
naman,
right here.
Maghanap ka ng bed para sa tatlo.
Hey!
No.
That's mine, bro!
Pwede pa magkatabi yung bed?
Wala
Oo,
akong
pwede.
pagkain eh. Oo. Ang ingay nyo.
Maglalagay ako ng piston at rod sa ilalim. Nakakulay na. Oy, Cyrus, nakita ko yun Nakita ko yun.
Ano?
Nakita ko yung, mukha mo kanina. But first, I need,
Yung mukha ako, nakita mo kanina?
oh.
Uy! First
Guys,
timer,
we
no? Nakakita lang ako ng
Guys,
cave, oh.
we can click the,
Nakakita na ako ng cave.
guys, we can use these drop leaves as fuel. Collect them.
So, ano pa ba ang pwede natin makrap? Kung nakrap ko naman na lahat. Meron na akong woods. May dalawa akong stack.
Well, I will gonna cut down more trees because I need
Same.
sheep.
Pinatay ko yung mag-asawang manok.
Guys, how do you know the...
Malamang yung anak nila yung nahanap yung mag-asawa.
Yum. I will kill your parents later.
Uy, may stick dito. Free stick.
Stick?
Oh.
May stick din kayo. Guys, sheep. Uy, meron na kayo daw sheep.
Uy!
Found sheep. I found
Bahala
sheep.
na kayo dyan
May cave!
Walay-walay
May
tayo
cave!
kasi malalayo yung isa't isa.
Okay. Bahala na kami. Sure ka?
Yeah.
Sure ka?
Ayun ang bahala sa
Sure
mga
ka?
base.
Sure ka, Cyrus?
Oo, sure na.
Sure?
Bahala na kasi sa isa't isa.
I may get food.
Magkaiwalay yung base natin
Pero dapat magkalapit. It should be
Oh!
close to each
Baka
other.
hindi na natin manap yung kitsi.
Exactly.
Oo, sad.
Sure ka, Cyrus?
Kaya
Are you sure that we are...
Ano yung siya ba? Ano? Ano?
Bahala.
Bahala.
Ah.
Are you sure that we're going by ourselves?
Yeah,
ganun.
are you sure? Hey, no way!
Dude.
Dude! It hasn't even been 4 minutes!
Putoy siya, guy.
You stupid aniga, bro.
Diba?
Bro!
Nagagawa ako ng
Ikaw
gagawa.
nagagawa.
Si Cyrus nagagawa. Cyrus. Cyrus style.
Bro!
Kasi kapag
You suck!
pag namatay yung creator,
Hey,
yung
yo!
phone word mamamatay.
Okay, rule.
Ano, dadalhin ko na
Okay.
si Channel dito.
Rules. Do not kill each other. You can prank them.
Ano, alam mo, Cyrus, dito ay dadabot dito na kayo na si Channel.
How do I know the coordinates? How do you know coordinates? Hey, coordinates yun? Coordinates.
Tapos, dito tayo may ano ko ng creator bar. Para ano na lang yung pinasalitat ka. Oo na.
Whether mo kayo
Save anyway. Gumalaw!
Bumala din si Siren.
You moved first. You said whoever moved first is gay. I'm gonna join Cyrus. I'm gonna kill Gian first.
Bla! Bla, hindi hardcore.
Hardcore na sa
Uy, tignan mo. Nag-spawn pa talaga ako sa tree. Hindi naman ako
si
kuya.
Pero nandito sa likod mo. Uy, may ribin.
Wala kayo ng kahoy! Magaliw ba kayo?
Ano?
May ribin, guys.
Tignan natin yung Rabin.
Hulog ko si Gian.
O diba ito? May coordinates na tayo
Okay. I'm at position 1587, -3.
I'm at position 293 and 3. So,
So,
pasok ka sa Rabin.
later, I will go later.
I'm gonna get some resources first.
I turned on review. Yo.
Bro.
Bro, Gian. Let's check out this
bro.
review together.
I ain't sus.
Bro, that ain't sus. What do you mean? What do you mean sus?
I won't check it because I don't
Ganda
have.
na kayo ng mga sword nyo kasi
What the
mamaya,
fudge?
mamamatay na tayo lahat kapag wala tayo.
Bro,
the fudge?
don't worry, man. Don't worry.
Yung kala ko ano ship? Dalawang
Don't
ship,
worry, man.
guys.
Dalawang shit.
Oh no, yung isa baby.
Kill them.
I'm digging straight down, bro. Guys, where are you guys? Wait, guys, what is your that color? Hey, that's Minecraft. Craft yours, man. Stupid Aniga, I'm gonna kill you. Ah, so you want to fight, bro?
Bro!
You wanna fight, huh? You wanna fight, huh?
Ang ingay nyo. Yung pa yung...
No.
Ayan. Siyan naman eh.
Bro, he was stealing my crafting. He was stealing my crafting table, man. I gotta defend
Hindi
you.
ako Bal. Siya nga yung nakaano sa akin eh. Inaano niya ako eh.
Bro, let me create the hardcore server.
Pinapatay niya ako eh. Sinasabi ko.
Wait.
Ayan,
Wait lang, guys.
may progress na ako.
Wait lang, wait.
Patay ka na.
Dun. I'm dead. Okay. I just gotta find Gian. Bro, what's bro doing? Hey, that's my hiding spot, bro.
Hindi, ulit tayo.
Okay.
Pag may pumatay.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys can ruin each other's base. So theoretically, you cannot kill, but you can prank. No?
Yeah. Bawal sira ng
Well, unless it's your. No, Gia.
Diyan,
Cyrus create the
parang
summer.
power tayo.
Cyrus create the summer.
Tayo
Bro!
ka diyan. Diyan, tayo ka.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna be the. I'm the one who's gonna create this. Okay.
Multiplayer.
Cyrus, jump. Pero. Cyrus, cave divers. Station up. Station up. Cave divers, station up. Bro, guys, I haven't even joined, guys. I'm lagging.
Tayo dito nag-ingay.
Guys, wait lang. Wait.
Bro, Siren, I literally joined at the...
Bro, we spawned at the worst biome. Bro, you didn't activate anything. That's on sim. Guys, leave the game. Leave the game. Really.
No, I won't.
I'm gonna create it. I'm the one who's gonna create it.
What the fuck?
So if GN kills me, you guys are also dead.
Upgrade, tapos experiment, solo ganun.
What's this multiplayer?
Wait na. Ano to? Ano yung ano? Ba't pangalan mo player? Ba't player ka? Ba't pangalan mo
Bro,
player?
your name is player. Bro, where is GN?
Hindi, pangalan ko Gian
Gian.
Gaming. Buta nga. Paabot yan.
GN.
Bahay-bahay. Bakit yung bahay-bahay?
Thank you for... Uy, Siren! Yung bees! May bees! May bees! Siren, let's get... Uy, bilis, Siren!
Where are you
Baliw may
going?
person yan.
Bye-bye, Gian.
Bye, Siren.
Bye, Gian. Try to kill them, oh. I just tried to dance. Nah, you're cooked, huh?
I'm gonna put a campfire near them.
Bro, you didn't like started.
Ito, buksan na
Bro,
natin.
guys, join me, man. What you
Buksan na
doing?
natin.
I joined you, bro.
Bro, where is Cyrus?
I don't know.
Guys,
Siren, you get the beds and I get the tools.
just don't mind.
gusto ko ito. Ay, ay, ay. Ano yung ito? Tapat yan.
I will create the house and you get the resources of the house, okay? Guys, you get the resources of the house.
Hey, chill out. It was just a prank, man. It was just a prank.
Siren, come. Can you help me for a bit?
No.
Bro, you need help.
No.
I can help you, step.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, Cyrus helped them. Okay.
Bahala ko. You betrayed us.
Exactly.
Bro, I didn't betray you.
So many times.
Okay.
Oh, I'm just lying here.
Then I'm gonna... What the
Okay,
fuck?
guys, what is your roles? Cyrus, what would you do?
Ano, ako yung kung ano mga resources natin, mga ores, tapos ako rin yung gagawa ng mga kagamitan natin.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Gian Gaming is
Ikaw,
actually good.
kukuha ka ng pagkain, ikaw gagawa
No.
ng base.
I bet, bro! I bet. You bring me the resources, man. I'm also gonna probably take okay, I'm now gonna find myself. Oh, I found an apple. Man. Give me the resources. So I see Gian's data. Gian, you found something.
Bro, I can't get out of here. What the hell?
Yeah, I know.
How did you get the wooden sword?
That ain't no wooden sword, though.
I wanna get wooden sword. Bro, why do I keep saying wooden sword? Bro, stop!
I got it. Bro, I'm gonna get some.
Get some milk!
You want?
Hey, yo, bro!
Mga pulis kasi, sinuko na yung pulis.
Bro, I'm just
Pare,
gonna.
sabi ni Cyrene, parehas daw yung Philip tsaka player.
Ganun talaga, mukhang
Hey, yo! Who did that?
Bro, I found a ravine, guys. Oh, yo, bro, I found coal. And some iron here. Gia, Cyrus, bro, over here. Nah, I'm getting that iron, bro. I need to survive, bro.
Bro, where's the ravine?
Nah, bro, let me get the iron. Please, man. I'm the one who's gonna try to find this space. Grab the iron, bro.
We're doing some pranks, bro.
oh, my sheep.
My shit, bro.
I gotta get some pigs, bro. Killed it. Oh, I found the ravine.
Bro, I already got the iron, man.
Iron Man?
No, it's iron, man.
Bro, you got already Iron Man?
I already got the fake iron.
Alright. Get the coal. Then give me the coal. I'm gonna make a torch. Then make
Actually, no. Since I'm the one who's gonna create the house, I need to build it. So, guys,
Let's get some honey.
meron akong bed kasi
You got a honey pack? You got a honey pack?
Are you in here, Cyrene?
Oh, I'm not. I found a sheep.
Also.
Oh, sheep. Oh, I found another one.
Uy, kumuha na kayo ng mga sheep nyo.
Bro, I'm already grabbing some.
Gumawa ka na rin ng mga sheep.
Bro, I'm still trying to find